Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome to RBT Learning channel. In previous video, we have completed subsection 8 and subsection 9 of section 12. Now, in this video, we will cover section 12, subsection 10 and other remaining subsections of section 12. Section 12, subsection 10, which relates to services supplied on board a conveyance. So, कन्वेंस के थ्रू सर्विसेज सप्लाई की जा रही हैं. कन्वेंस जैसे कि वेसल के थ्रू, एयरक्राफ्ट के थ्रू, ट्रेन या मोटर व्हीकल के थ्रू. तो उस केस में प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई क्या होगा? प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई विल बी द लोकेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट शेड्यूल पॉइंट ऑफ डिपार्चर बोर्ड or conveyance of that conveyance for the journey. Let's see the example. Mr. Jack was traveling from Mumbai to Kolkata in an airlines flight. He wants to watch movie during his journey. Airlines are registered in Mumbai. The flight embarks its journey from Pune. The location of supplier will be Mumbai because airlines are registered in Mumbai and they are providing services to Mr. Jack. And flight embarks its journey from Pune. So place of supply will be the Pune. Nature of supply will be intra-state supply as services are provided within the state. Next is section 12, subsection 11, telecommunication services. Telecommunication services include services provided via telephone, internet, and section 12, subsection 1 classifies telecommunication services into three categories: fixed line, leased circuit, internet leased circuit, dish antenna. Postpaid mobile connection and internet services. Next is prepaid mobile connection and internet services. Let's see the situations and what will be the place of supply in these following situations. In case of fixed line, leased circuit, internet leased circuit, dish antenna. Place of supply will be the place where such equipments is installed. Like for example, you are installing dish antenna in your residence and you are situated in Pune. So place of supply will be the Pune. Postpaid mobile and internet services. In this case, place of supply will be the billing address of the recipient. And next is prepaid mobile and internet services and D2H TV services, television services through voucher or through selling agent or distributor. So address of the selling agent, distributor or reseller will be the place of supply. Services provided by any person to final consumer. In this case, place of supply will be the place where such prepayment is received or vouchers are sold. Suppose Mr. X, who has a grocery shop and he's selling Jio prepaid voucher to someone in his shop itself. So his shop is situated in Mumbai. So place of supply will be in Mumbai. Prepaid services where payment is made through electronic mode or internet banking. Sometimes we are doing so in this case, place of supply will be the location of recipient of service on the record of supplier of services. Next is section 12, subsection 12, banking and other financial services, and it also includes stockbroking services. And place of supply in this situation will be the location of recipient. If location of recipient is on the records of the supplier of services, provided if location of recipient is not on the records of supplier, then place of supply will be the location of services suppliers. Example: Mr. A, unregistered person from Mumbai, visits a bank registered in Pune for getting a demand draft made in which it doesn't have its bank account. So in this situation, location of recipient is not on the records of supplier. So place of supply will be the location of supplier. So location of supplier in this case is Pune because bank is registered in Pune. Next is section 12 subsection 13, insurance services. If recipient is registered, place of supply will be the location of recipient. If recipient is unregistered, place of supply will be the location of recipient of services in the records of supplier of services. Example is Mr. X, a person registered in Mumbai, buys insurance cover for his motor vehicle from insurance service provider registered in Nagpur. So in this case, Mr. X is a person registered in Mumbai. So he is a recipient. So place of supply will be Mumbai and location of supply is, that is, insurance service provider is in Nagpur. So nature of supply will be the intrastate supply. Section 12 subsection 14, advertisement services to government. Advertisement services to central government, state government, local authority, statutory body for state or union territory through contract is provided by some advertising agency. So what will be the place of supply in this case? Place of supply will be the each of the state or union territory where such advertisement is broadcasted, run or played. Example, Maharashtra government gives an advertisement contract to advertising agency registered in Surat to promote any government yojana throughout the country. So in this situation, place of supply will be the whole of India because the advertisement is broadcasted or run or played in throughout the country. So place of supply will be the whole of India. Thank you so much. And we in this video we completed section 12 of IGST at 2017, and in other videos we will cover other sections of IGST Act, that is section 13. In next video we will cover. Thank you so much, friends.